Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how can you hide tags on Instagram, and we'll be going through the two types of the tags that are present on Instagram. So the first one is the hashtags, and if you want to hide any hashtag that you are following from your timeline, you can tap in the top right corner right here next to the hashtag, and then you tap on unfollow hashtag and it will be hidden forever from your timeline. So the second type of the tags, you tap here in the bottom right corner first to go to your profile, and then you tap here in the top right corner to access settings. From settings, search for tags in the top to find the tags and mentions settings. This one right here, tap on it, and we'll need to change some stuff in the tags settings. First one, I'm gonna select don't allow tags, and then I'm gonna turn on manually approve tags right here, and I'm tap on turn on. And for the third one, I'm gonna choose don't allow mentions completely, as you can see here, guys. Now when you do this, the future tags will not be shown on your profile, which basically makes them hidden from your account completely. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And again, as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos, guys.